I transformed my short, natural twist to this soft, long, beautiful mini kinky twist. Let me show you how. First off, I made sure to wash and detangle my hair. For this style, I'll be using 5 packs of 22 inches Hot Braids Afro Kinky hair in color 1. This hair came in with this beautiful bag and other hair essentials, and I was really excited. When I touched the hair, I noticed how soft and natural looking it was, and we started making the hair around 10 a.m. Now, this style took me about 8 to 9 hours to get it done, and I'm used to like sitting for a long time, so that wasn't really a problem for me. So the plan is to have this hair for about 6 to 8 weeks, God help me, because the truth is your hair can only retain length with less manipulation. In the past, I've heard that this particular hairstyle gets finer as it gets older, so this is like the perfect time to put that theory to test. I decided not to finish the ends because since the texture is so soft and similar to natural hair, my plan is to actually use water and leave-in conditioner to bring the curls to life, just so that it looks even more natural. At this point, we had spent over 6 hours and I just wanted to get up. At the end of the day, if I don't have this hair for 8 weeks, then I've ended up playing myself because the size that I picked was so tiny. We finally got to the last braid and she of course had to apply leave-in conditioner and water on the tips like I said, and this is the end result. This is the finished look and I am absolutely in love by how soft and how lightweight this hair is, yet it's so full. So how you do like tiny braids, and of course you'd expect it to be heavy. This literally feels like I have nothing on my head. It feels like I have just my natural hair on my head, like there is no extension on my hair. I love how natural looking the curls look and the hair looks. I haven't really been a fan of kinky twists because most of the times when I see people have kinky twists, the ends always look crunchy and ugly, but this is way different for me because all I have to do is just apply leave-in conditioner and water on the tips, and then the curls come back to life. So this is the hair that is worth your money because it would have you looking so beautiful, and it's also something that you can reuse as many times as you want. With the current prices of extensions, that is something that I consider when buying hairs, when buying extensions. Is it something that is durable? Is it something that is going to last? If it's not, then I'm not going to spend money on it. So while taking down this hair, I'm going to bear that in mind because I'm not going to cut it, because I plan on using this again and again because of how similar it looks with my natural hair. I also love the length of this hair. It's perfect and can be styled in different ways. So with this length, you can get like versatile styling. There is going to be a coupon code in my description and on the screen as well, so use that to get some points off to rock this natural kinky hair from Hot Braid. We have finally come to the end of this video. Don't forget to join the family by clicking the subscribe button. Don't forget to like, share and comment on this particular video. Tell me what you feel about this hair. Tell me if you're digging it, and if you're digging it, because there's actually no other option than to dig it because it's really, really good. Anyways, yeah, don't forget to stay fabulous and stay beautifully you. I'll see you next one. Bye.